In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Fedex account with Shopify. If you are looking to bring shipping into your Shopify store using Fedex, the first thing you need to do is start from your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage apps, shipping settings, and many of the integrations that help your store run smoothly. Begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. When you are logged in, you will usually see a main menu on the left side, along with a set of overview options on the screen. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the admin area, not on the front end of your website. You want the control panel experience, because that is where the installation and connection steps happen. Once you are in the dashboard, you are going to go to the place where Shopify lets you install and manage apps. In most admin views, that is found through an Apps section or an app-related entry in the navigation. The goal here is to reach the app marketplace inside Shopify, where Fedex tools can be found. This matters because the connection you are making between Fedex and Shopify is typically handled through an app that Shopify installs and configures for you. Now, click on Apps. As you click, watch for the Apps page to load or for a panel to open that shows app categories and search options. On this screen, you should see options for exploring new apps or managing apps you already have installed. This is the right area because you will be searching for the Fedex app integration. Next, you will use the search function inside Apps. Look for a search bar or a search field on the Apps page. Then type or select the word Fedex. As you do this, Shopify will start filtering results and showing apps that match what you entered. It is important to use the correct keyword because it helps you locate the Fedex integration quickly without browsing through unrelated shipping services. After you search for Fedex, you should see a list of app results related to Fedex. At this point, pause for a moment and review what appears on screen. Look for the app that is specifically meant for connecting Fedex to Shopify. Some results may be shipping-related or label-related, but the one you choose should be designed to connect Fedex services to your store account. If there are multiple options, you may want to compare basic details like the app name and what it describes, so you end up with the Fedex connection tool that matches your needs. This is also a good moment to check that the app is intended for Shopify, since you want a direct integration rather than something unrelated. Once you have identified the correct Fedex app result from the search list, you can proceed with selecting that app. The next actions typically involve clicking into the app and then following the prompts to install or connect it. While the instructions you provided stop at searching for Fedex, this search step is the necessary starting point that leads you to the specific app page where the connection process begins. To summarize what you have done so far, you first opened your Shopify admin dashboard, then navigated to Apps, and finally searched for Fedex. These steps set you up to locate the right Fedex integration, so you can connect your Fedex account to your Shopify store. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.